Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Google Cloud Database Services. Google Cloud Database Services offer a wide range of database solutions to meet the needs of any businesses. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the most popular Google Cloud Database services include Cloud SQL, Cloud Spanner, Cloud Digitable, Cloud Firestore, Cloud Memory Store. Cloud SQL. Cloud SQL is a fully managed database services that supports the most popular and open source commercial relation database, including MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server. Cloud SQL offer a number of features that makes a good choice for businesses of all sizes, including automatic provision and scaling, high availability of durability, security, and compliance features, easy management and administration. Cloud Spanner. Cloud Spanner is a fully managed and mission critical relational database services that offer a transactional consistency at global scale. Schemes, SQL, and automatic and synchronous replication for high availability. Cloud Spanner is a good choice for businesses that need a database that can handle high volumes of traffic and data that triggers a strong consistency and availability. Cloud Bigtable. Cloud Bigtable is a fully managed and NoSQL database service that offers a scalable storage for large datasets. Cloud Bigtable is a good choice for businesses that need a database that can store and process large amount of data such as web analytics data, financial data, or IoT data. Cloud Firestore. Cloud Firestore is a fully managed and NoSQL documents database that offers real-time synchronizations and offline support. Cloud Firestore is a good choice for businesses that need a database that can support mobile or web applications that require real-time data synchronization and offline support. Cloud Memory Store. Cloud Memory Store is a fully managed in-memory data store services that supports Redis and Memcache, and Cloud MyStore is a good choice for businesses that needs a private or a database that can be provide high performance and low latency for applications such as caching, session management, and real-time data processing. Choosing the right cloud database services. The best cloud database services for you will depend on your specific needs and requirements. Some factors to consider include the types of data you need to store, the volume of data you need to store, the performance and latency requirements of your applications, and the need for consistency and availability, and of course your budget. If you are not sure which Google Cloud database services is right for you, you can contact Google Cloud support for help. So in conclusion, Google Cloud Database Services offer a wide range of database solutions to meet the needs of any businesses, whether you need a relational database, a NoSQL database, or managed database services. Google Cloud has a solution for you. By choosing the right cloud services database for your needs, you can improve the performance, reliability, and security of your application. So that's all everyone. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.